Hi, I'm Jacqueline from Home Reimagined, and today we're going to go over how to clean your stainless steel appliances. Cleaning your stainless steel is actually very easy, but there are a few very important steps you don't want to miss. Number one, when cleaning any appliance, you always want to look for which way the grain is going. So on stainless steel appliances, it will typically be going vertical or horizontal, depending on what kind of appliance it is. And how you can tell is by looking at the tiny little grains in which direction they are going. When we identify the grain, it's really important that we are always cleaning with the grain. So for my refrigerator, they're going vertical. So I want to always clean in this sort of motion. This allows the product to work its way into the steel. So instead of going against it and leaving a film, it's going to actually work into it, condition it, and your appliances will last so much longer. The next very important tip is to understand that you should never ever start cleaning with a polish. There are a lot of products on the market that say both cleaner and polisher, such as this one, my favorite from Wyman. Stainless steel needs to be wiped down before you ever use any of these products. They will leave a film, and your appliances will not come out as clean and shiny as you wish they would. So what you want to do is take a bucket, fill it with warm water, and a little bit of dish soap. Mix it in really well and use any kind of microfiber towel, dip into the mixture and wring it out. You never want to use it soaking wet, just barely damp. Then go ahead and use that to wipe down the appliance with the grain, first to remove any gunk, fingerprints, or overall smudges on the top of the surface of the appliance. This also allows you to remove any buildup of previous polishes or cleanup over time. So you may need to do it a few times if this is your first time actually cleaning it before you polish it. Then if your appliance is still slightly damp, you can go ahead and take a clean towel and go ahead and wipe it down to let it dry. I typically just allow mine to air dry between. Then once you're ready to go and your entire appliance has been cleaned, you can then go ahead and use your polish. Spray it generously onto the appliance and go ahead and use a microfiber towel to wipe with the grain to condition and polish your stainless steel. Don't forget to get parts like the inside and sides of your refrigerator or anywhere in the appliance that may have stainless steel. This will apply to both portions of the cleaning method. Once you finish conditioning it, you may notice that it still looks slightly damp or there may be spots where there is more product than other. You can go ahead and just rub it in a little bit extra, but a lot of times you can typically just allow it to dry. Sometimes certain parts of the appliance will dry a little bit faster than the others, so don't worry about it. Just make sure that you rub the polish in well and evenly throughout the appliance. And there you have it. Your stainless steel is clean, shiny, and brand new looking. Follow for more cleaning and home tips, and hit that like and share button down below. Thanks for joining us.